Hi and welcome back. As I promised, today I am unboxing the thredUP 5-pair shoe box. I usually get the 15-pair shoe box, but I wanted to try this 5-pair. They were having free shipping and the price was $34 plus $2.30 tax for a total of $36.30. Shipping was free. I ordered this on Monday when they were having the free shipping promotion. I've always been pretty happy with the 15-pair shoe box. Sometimes you get duds, but sometimes you get really great boxes. So let's see how this one is. And I also like the fact that you can order specific sizes. That's one of the main reasons why I ordered this. And I got the 8.5 because that seems to sell really well. Plus I wear 8.5, well really anywhere between an 8 and a 9. So I figured, hey, might buy one for myself. All right, let's get right to it. Has not been opened yet. I like the surprise. Love mystery boxes. Is it hot where you guys are? Good gracious. The heat index is like 107 or 8 outside today. It's awful. Seems a little hard to get into. There we go. Alright, I slipped in this one. I forgot to put the one in yesterday. Yep, size 8.5 rescue bot shoes, 5 pairs, $34. Okay. First look. Of course, we have the polka dot paper. Take that off. Air bubbles, loving those. Okay. Look. Okay, let's start with this pair of tennis shoes. They are Nike Air. And they are size 8.5. And you can tell they're used. They need washing. Overall good condition, but I wouldn't say the best condition. But a little cleaning up should fix that. Okay. Johnston and Murphy. Pair of slip-ons, not too bad. Size 8.5. These are definitely been worn several times, you can tell. Another pair of tennis shoes, kids, which I love my kids. I may be keeping these. 8.5, it's a silver color. These are overall in good condition, but they do need cleaning, which that's very easy with a magic eraser. This part looks very clean, the bottoms. Okay, and then we have a pair of black flats, and these are Saludos. And they are in excellent condition, very good condition. Those are really cute, kind of velvety feel. Let's see. I can see the size. No, that's going to be impossible right now, but I'm pretty sure. About 8.5. Okay, and then the last pair, Dolce Vita. That's pretty good. And these look to be, this style has been very popular in the last year or two. I don't know about how, how popular it is now, but that's nice tactical heel. Dolce Vita. They seem to be in really good condition. See the bottoms. I don't see any scuffs or anything on the heel, so that's good. I don't see the side. Oh, let's see, it's probably, yeah, I have to get my ring glasses for that, but I'm pretty sure the rest of them have been 8.5s. No reason to doubt this one, is it? Okay. All right, guys, well, that was a real quick unboxing. Will I order this box again? I don't know. I might if I get free shipping or another good deal, use some credits. I may, but honestly, I think I like the 15 pair box better. I think you just get more of a variety, more of a selection. You know. But anyway, well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and once again, have a nice day. Bye.